How's it going, guys? Hope you're all doing well. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's video, I'm going to do my review on fmexpressions athletic screen printed transfers. So let's get into it. So it comes like this. I did a gang sheet and I put all of these designs on one sheet. So now what I got to do is I got to cut these out and then I got to test them. Well, here's everything I cut up. So now I got to get this to 325 for 7 seconds. Pretty good. It's a good stretch. All right, so everything's ready to go, and I'm gonna print a bunch of t-shirts. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse and let you see how the work gets done. All right. So as you can see by this shirt, the quality is very, very good. I really liked how it laid down. It has like a texture on it. But man, the colors look amazing. They look so vibrant. All the details are there. And I had a great time printing these. There's no issues. So yeah, this t-shirt, it came out so nicely. I mean, man, I'm really impressed, you know, with just the quality. fmexpressions, you guys did an awesome job. And I'll definitely be sending more work your way. But yeah, I just want to give my thoughts on that. And if you're looking for a company that does screen printed transfers, I think fmexpressions is a great option if you're looking for full color. You can just run so many different designs on their gang sheets, which is really nice. Even though per sheet, it might be more expensive, if you can get, you know, a bunch of designs on there and then you cut them out and print them on all your different orders, I mean, you can save tons of money and you can print full color. So that's always awesome. Well, I hope you guys were able to get an idea of what, you know, fmexpressions screen printed transfers are like. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them best that I can. And I hope you guys continue to pursue the things that, you know, make you excited about being in the creative field. If you're looking for some more information on t-shirts, printing, just reach out and I'd love to help you. Anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome week. And until I see you next time, remember to let your light shine. Bye.